Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really exciting DIY project for you all, 3D polystyrene wall art. This project is fun, easy, and will add a unique touch to any room in your home. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. And my name is Alice and I post DIY, interior, fashion and lifestyle video content. So let's get started. So for this DIY, I'm going to use polystyrene to make this wall art. We'll link everything that I've used for this DIY in the description box below. Then I went ahead and glued the two long pieces together as I need this artwork to be long compared to my last one. You can click here to check it out. You might have to hold it in place for a couple of minutes for the glue to stick together. Then I needed to make a round shape at the top, so I used a place to do this and a crafty knife to cut out the shape. And this is how the piece looked like. I also needed a longer piece, but this one was broken, so I had to glue all the broken pieces together. I usually use unused card to get rid of any excess glue. And here is the long piece after I've glued the broken pieces together. Then I went ahead and glued the two long pieces together. On this piece, I also needed to have a round shape at the top. So since I did not have a large round object, I tied a piece of string with a pen and drew the shape just like this. As you can see here, the shape is not perfect, but that will do. Then I went ahead with a crafty knife and cut out the shape. And after doing some minor smoothing, this is how the shape came out. I also had this polystyrene ball that I'm going to cut it in half and use the half part. Then I went ahead and used this all-purpose filler on all the pieces because I wanted this artwork to be smooth. So I did a couple of coats. I think I did 2 or 3 coats and let them out to dry in between the coats. As you can see, this one is a dry one. I still have some marks, but no worry not, because I'm going to use sandpaper to smoothen it out. Then off to the next part of painting the pieces. So here I'm using terracotta paint and I'm adding a little bit of white paint because I didn't want it to be too strong. And I'm also going to use baking soda or bicarbonate soda because I just wanted a little bit of texture on the wall art. I want them to also hide any blemishes or any roughness in them. So this is the best way of hiding that, by using bicarbonate soda or baking soda with your paint. Then I went ahead and painted the piece. I used 2 coats on this piece. And this is how it looks like. And this is the texture that I've been talking about by using the bicarbonate soda. On the other piece, I'm using this new dark egg paint, which is a sample paint from Johnstone's. I also added the bicarbonate soda or baking soda to the paint to get the texture that I've been talking about. I also applied 2 coats on this piece. And this is how the piece looks like. As you can see, the bicarbonate soda or the baking soda create this lovely texture to the piece. For the larger piece, I'm using this Dove Grey chalk paint, and I'm also going to add the bicarbonate soda or baking soda to it. Again, this is how the piece looks like with the Dove Grey chalk paint. On the semicircular shape, I'm putting a skewer so that it can help me to hold the shape while I'm painting it. And I'm using white chalk paint mixed with bicarbonate soda. And this is how it looks like. Then I decided to use this hard cardboard tube and the skewers. On here I'm going to paint them matte black. And I'm going to use these shapes onto the wall art. You can use whatever kind of shape you come across to your wall art just to make it different and unique from any other person's wall art. With the skewers, I decided to glue them together into the shape that I wanted them to be, and this is the shape that I'm going for. As you can see, I wanted them to be two pointed on one side and one pointed on the other side, and then I used hot glue to glue them together before painting them matte black. For all the pieces, I applied 2 coats of paint on them. Here I have the 6 shapes of my wall art, and then I went ahead and glued them together into the design that I chose, and this is the design that I'm going to use, and I'm using hot glue to glue the pieces together. Just use as much hot glue as you can. You can also use any strong glue just to secure your pieces, as they're going to be heavy and they'll be hanging on the wall for a while. So I would like to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on this DIY, as I'm using polystyrene, which instead of them going to the landfill, I'm making something out of them. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, it will mean a lot if you could do so. And also you can hit notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. So here is my wall art that I've hung in our dining room, and I love it so much. I also use the picture hanging strips to hang it. I will link everything that I've used for this DIY in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.